Stop scrolling for a second. Do you know that freelancing in 2025 is no longer just a side hustle? For many people, it's their main income. But not every skill pays well. In this video, I'll show you 10 freelance skills that are in high demand and pay very well in 2025. If you stay till the end, I'll also share how to start with zero experience and land your first client. So, let's get into it. Welcome to Dollar Decision, the channel where we talk about money hacks, side hustles, and financial freedom. If you want to earn more and build the life you want, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. Let's grow together. Skill 1, Video Editing. Everyone is creating video content, especially on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Brands, influencers, and businesses need editors who can make engaging short-form and long-form videos. Even small businesses want ads and product videos. Average pay, $20 to $60 per hour, top editors earn thousands per project. Tools: Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even CapCut for short videos. If you're starting, offer affordable packages on Fiverr or Upwork and use portfolio pieces from editing free stock clips. Skill 2, Copywriting. Good writing sells. Copywriting is the skill of writing words that make people buy. High demand for ads, website sales pages, email campaigns, and social media captions. Top freelancers charge $100 to $500 for a single email or thousands for a sales page. Learn persuasive writing, study brands you admire, and practice rewriting ads. Great starting platforms: Upwork, LinkedIn, and cold emailing small businesses. Skill 3, AI Automation and Chatbot Building. Businesses now use AI tools for customer service, lead generation, and sales. Freelancers who can set up ChatGPT-based bots, automate workflows, or integrate AI tools into business systems are in high demand. This is a future-proof skill with few people doing it well right now. Earning potential: $25 to $100 plus per hour, depending on complexity. Learn tools like Zapier, ManyChat, and API integrations. Skill 4, Social Media Management. Every brand wants a strong social media presence. Many small businesses don't know how to post, engage, or grow their accounts. Social media managers create content calendars, design posts, reply to comments, and run ads. Average monthly retainer, $300 to $1,500 depending on the business. You can niche down, for example, TikTok growth or Instagram marketing. Skill 5, Graphic Design. Logos, branding, infographics, and social media designs are always in demand. With Canva and Figma, beginners can start fast without advanced Photoshop skills. Businesses pay for simple designs if they look professional. Top designers charge $50 to $200 per project, or monthly retainers. Focus on niches like real estate flyers, social media branding kits, or YouTube thumbnails. Skill 6, Website Development. Every business needs a website, period. Freelancers who build websites with WordPress, Shopify, or Webflow are earning big. Pay ranges from $300 for a simple website to $5,000 plus for advanced sites. You don't need to be a coding expert. Many websites are drag and drop now, but learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will set you apart. Pro tip: offer Website Plus SEO setup as a package to charge more. Skill 7, SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Businesses want to rank on Google. SEO is the way. SEO freelancers research keywords, optimize websites, and build backlinks. This is a long-term service, so clients often keep you on retainer. Earnings: $500 to $2,000 per month per client. Learn with free YouTube tutorials and practice by ranking your own blog or site. Skill 8, Online Tutoring and Coaching. If you're good at math, English, coding, or even personal skills like fitness, you can teach online. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, or your own Zoom sessions make it easy. Many parents now prefer online tutors. Pay $15 to $50 per hour, higher if you specialize in test prep or coding. You can also create your own digital course and sell it as passive income. Skill 9, Digital Marketing. This covers running Facebook ads, Google ads, or email campaigns for businesses. Businesses spend money daily on ads and need experts who bring results. High-paying skill, agencies charge thousands per month, freelancers can earn $500 to $5,000 depending on results. Learn platforms like Meta Ads Manager, Google Ads, and Klaviyo for email. Start by helping small local businesses and showing them the return on investment. Skill 10, Virtual Assistants. Many entrepreneurs and companies outsource admin work like emails, scheduling, data entry, and customer support. Virtual assistants are always in demand because they save businesses time. Pay $10 to $40 per hour. Higher if you specialize in tech tools or project management. Entry-level friendly, but you can grow by adding more skills and becoming an online business manager. So those are the 10 top freelance skills that pay in 2025. The best part is, you don't need a college degree to start. You just need consistency, practice, and the courage to put yourself out there. Remember this, freelancing is not about doing everything. Pick one skill, go deep, and get really good at it. Once you land your first client and deliver results, more work will follow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to Dollar Decision for more videos on money, freelancing, and financial freedom. Drop a comment and let me know which freelance skill you're most interested in learning in 2025.